Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Snapchat device ban and what you can do if the Snapchat blocks your phone. First, it is important to know this. A device ban means Snapchat has blocked your phone, not just your account. Maybe see messages like device banned, access temporarily blocked, unable to verify device. This usually happens because Snapchat detects rule breaking or suspicious activity. Some device ban are temporary. If the message says temporary block, you maybe only need to wait 24 to 72 hours, sometimes up to 48 hours. During this time, do not try to log in rapidly. Do not create a new account. This makes the ban worse. Snapchat bans device often because of third-party apps such as Snapchat Plus Plus, Phantom. If you have any of these, delete them immediately. Only use the official Snapchat app from your app store, then wait for some time before trying again. If the ban goes not away, go to the Snapchat support and submit a request. Choose I can't access my account, device ban, or login error. Be polite and honest. Explain what you are using the official app and ask for the review. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.